Welcome to Miracle Experience, your safari from the sky. Here at Miracle Experience, we fly over 6,000 passengers per year and are consistently growing our fleet. We have top of the industry balloon equipment, and our regular inspections far exceed the manufacturers or Tanzanian civil aviation requirements. We take a lot of pride in our customer experience. In fact, for the last 3 years in a row, we've been the #1 activity on TripAdvisor. Here at Miracle Experience, we are very environmentally friendly. We run over 95% solar power. We are starting with our innovative electric safari car program, and we pump our own water with a complete reverse osmosis system for drinking water. We have a diverse team of international balloon pilots with various experience around the world. And also we fly in the Serengeti Game Reserve, just northwest of the Serengeti, and of course the elephant's paradise of Tarangire National Park.